This is our Evolution coloured sparklers that we sell either in single packets, or you could buy a box of 24 packets, or you could even buy a full box with 6 24s, 48, what's that, 144 packets in. So it's up to you, but 10-inch coloured sparklers, don't need any texturization. They're in a foiled wrap pack, simple little cuts in them, so they're very easy to open like that. Pull that off. There's your sparklers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are coloured ones. It's interesting, I've just noticed the tips often have a colour on them. I'm going to lie to me, even though we're in the middle of a sunny day. I like one. You see, that's a red one. And I'm liking these. I know it's sunny, but it's just to show you what a sparkler is. Tell you sparkler, how long it lasts. Just so you know this, I think sparklers are a very, very dangerous product. Can you see the little burning things, what, you know, red off molten ash? Make sure you're outside when you're doing this. Be careful with kids when doing these sparklers. As weird as this sounds, obviously we sell sparklers. If I could ban one firework, you know, everybody moans about loud, noisy fireworks. If I could ban one firework, that'd be it. Sparklers. I think they're dangerous. Look at that, there's bits dropped on my table, there's little bells in it. You know, not a... I'm all out on 4 now, so get ready for table to melt. There you go. You see different colours, there's a green one, yellow one. Must hold them at arm's length. Right, I'll say arm's length, make sure they're burning down. I'm trying to split them up. Different colours. You know, people spin them around and things like that, don't they, you know. Not my favourite product, and yet we sell it because people want sparklers. And these are 10-inch coloured sparklers.